Have you ever wanted to turn a stunning panoramic image into a captivating video? It sounds like a fun project, right? Well, today we're going to explore the most efficient way to create a panning video from a panoramic image. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you have a beautiful panoramic image, but you're not sure how to bring it to life in video form. You're not alone in this. Many people face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, what would be the most efficient way to create a video from a panoramic image that is 5,000 pixels wide and 600 pixels high? They even shared a GIF to illustrate their idea of panning from left to right. Sounds interesting, right? So, what's the best way to achieve this? The key is to use software that allows you to create a smooth panning effect. This can be done with various video editing tools that support image animation. And stick around, I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you enhance your video even further. You won't want to miss it. To create a panning video from a panoramic image, the user should first choose a video editing software that supports keyframing. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free software like DaVinci Resolve. Next, the user needs to import the panoramic image into the chosen software. This can typically be done by dragging the image file into the media library or using the import function in the software. Once the image is imported, the user should create a new video project and set the video dimensions to 5,000 pixels wide by 600 pixels high. This ensures the video will match the desired output size. Now, the user can add the panoramic image to the timeline. To create the panning effect, they should set keyframes for the position of the image. Start with the image positioned on the left and end with it on the right. Finally, the user should render the video to export it. This process will create a smooth panning video from the panoramic image, ready for sharing or uploading. Fun fact. The first video ever created was just a few seconds long and featured a man sneezing. Imagine how far we've come since then with our stunning panoramic videos. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves dynamically cropping a panoramic video to a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This method utilizes a script with timestamp settings to determine the cropping position based on specific locations. The user provides a function to calculate the starting X position for cropping, iterating through a list of locations. This allows for smooth panning across the panoramic image. Here's that fantastic tip I promised. Consider adding a subtle zoom effect along with the pan. This can make your video feel more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it. You now know how to create a stunning panning video from a panoramic image. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep creating amazing videos.